the 2017 Marawi siege, basically the government needed to finance around 69 billion pesos worth of recovery, rehabilitation, and reconstruction in Marawi. Of all development partners, total pledges amounted to around 35 billion pesos or 670 million US dollars. Of this amount, the ADB pledged and delivered 408 billion US dollars. Not only that, ADB was first responder among all development partners, and the agreements related to this 408 million was first to be executed among all development partners. So this was quite valuable in the sense that the amount was significant and the turnaround time was very quick. The aid which was sought came in quite speedily for Marawi residents. So essentially this means that the entire amount already went to the priority areas determined by the government for the benefit of the people of Marawi.
Build Back Better doesn't only speak for near reconstructions back to its original form, but we want to make sure that the incoming infrastructure should give a more better living conditions and more progressive community for Marawi City, being this an Islamic center of the county. The concentrations of ADB projects here is actually on the 72 barangays. As we move forward for the next 1.5 years, there will be a tremendous construction development that comes out from Marawi City.
Components of ADB's help to the people of Marawi is comprehensive, and thus its impact to the development of the city is certainly commendable. And we are very thankful to all the people who have truly shown compassion and kindness by supporting the people of the city. Seeing our city slowly taking back its pride and honor through the development programs made possible by our partners such as ADB is something that we should be forever thankful.